Hey you all, thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already, because I have lots of content you do not want to miss out on. And there's from vacation giveaways. Have you ever won a vacation? I give those away all the time, so make sure you subscribe. There's different things that will grow your business, all of that on my channel. Though now that we've gotten that out the way, this video is about things that you should consider doing in 2020 with your income tax. And no, I'm not just talking about starting your business, things like that. There's several other things to consider. So let's get into one. They're not in any particular order. So the first one, definitely pay up the largest bill for the year. If there's a bill you have every month, let's say your mortgage is like $500, do 500 times 12 and pay it up for the year. You will thank yourself when the months are rolling by and you're not having to wonder, how am I gonna make the payment this month? Am I gonna be late this month? I hope nothing happened with my job. All year you ain't got to worry about nothing going on with your house, because you know it's already paid up for the year. That's just one example, but just whatever your largest bill is, if it's your car note, drop it down on the car note. Tell them, hey, I want to pay my car note up for the year. How does that work? I want to pay my light bill up for the year. How does that work? Call those companies and ask them how that works and pay those bills up for the year. Now, if you don't want to do your largest bill, do your smallest bill. I just made a video about how I haven't had a light bill or cable bill all year. Light bill or cable bill all year, because I knew what those amounts normally are and I did it times 12 and I dropped that amount on my account. And so I had a positive balance all year. So if you can't do your largest bill, definitely look into doing your smallest bill. The third thing, if you have kids, go ahead and look into whatever activities they're going to be doing. If it's soccer, basketball, whatever, you know, they're going to have uniform costs or game costs or whatever may be going on. Go ahead and pay those in advance. That income tax money is supposed to be something that, if you look at it this way, it's not a time to just ball out and get stuff you've been wanting all year. It's not a time, that's not how you should look at it. That's a time to set yourself up for success for the year. Now, mind you, this will be my first year as a business owner on my income tax, so I'm expecting to hopefully finally break even or earn something back. But for the last few years, just my full-time job alone, I was in the red. So yeah, so I maybe I'll get something, but I actually use money from my full-time job and then money from my businesses, because you know I have the travel business where I help people start their own business online. It takes like 5 minutes and they are a travel business owner and they're making money and they're traveling for less. They get all the perks on the travel business, so I earn money from that. I use that to pay up things. And then I also have my books. I have 2 published books on Amazon, and then I have a Christian merchandise line, so which is all on my website. You can go to connectwithyourcreator.com. That is my brand, connectwithyourcreator.com. But the thing is, when I do that, I know that that's going to help with eliminating things for the years, different things to worry about. It's so much that goes on to think about your whole year. There's so much goes on, so many things that you need to accomplish and do. Like, if you can eliminate some stuff and minimize things, minimize it to make your year flow better and be simpler for you, do it. So use that money to advance yourself is what I'm trying to say. All right, the next thing, tithing. So this is a time where you can bless your church home for real. People make jokes all the time and say, I don't know what the pastor do with the money. The pastor is using that money so he can focus solely, in my opinion, focus solely on the ministry of God. He is called to be a pastor, called to lead a church. Can you think about the 3,000, 4,000, however many people may be in your church, people that are reaching out to the pastor on a daily basis with issues? How is he going to have time to address that, he or she, if they are working a full-time job and they, got to go do mandatory overtime at their full-time? Like, they can't deal with that foolishness. They need to be free. So this helps them maintain their own bills. This helps them maintain the church, because they don't have a job outside of that most of the time. So how are they going to pay for the church bills? Church still have light bills. Church still have, you know what I'm saying? So This is things that giving to your church home is a blessing. I believe God will bless you back because you're able to further the ministry. The pastor is able to continue what he's doing of freeing people. So definitely give to your church home. Help a grandma or an aunt. If you have a family member that helps you throughout the year, maybe with your kids, they babysit. If you have someone that you just want to bless them, just as they may have got some income tax too, hey, you may say, hey, I want to bless you because this may be the one time I have a lump sum that I can give you for you. This may be the only one time I have a lump sum. Go ahead and give them something, even $100, $200. You never know how that blesses somebody. Then the last thing I have on here is definitely investing in a small business. To start your travel business, did you know you only pay $179 one time? You probably spend that on an iPad. You probably spend that on a laptop. You probably spend that on food for 5 people or 4 adults somewhere. And you got a whole travel business. What you get with that is you get your website immediately. You have your own website where you and anybody you give that website to can book their own vacation on that website. Sort of how booking.com is. People go on booking.com all the time and put their own trips in. Well, if they do it on your site, you earn money every time it's used. So to me, it's kind of passive income because you could just put your website link in your bio on your social media pages and direct people to that. I've been at my full-time job before and someone messaged me about a trip. I just text them my website link. So there's a way to earn a passive income from that, and you'll see those deposits coming in. That's one side of the travel business. The other side of the travel business is only $199 one time, only $20 more, and you'll be able to do all that first part I mentioned about the website. You also get to help people start their business. So I do the $199 side. I paid that one time, and I can help people sign up. So I would just need to send you my link. There's a link you have to sign up. We all have, no one can join unless they have somebody who's already in it link. That's the way the company has it set up. I can give you all the information you need, or you can just go to my website, connectwithyourcreator.com, and you'll see where it says travel business as one of the drop downs, and it has all the details there, or you can just message me and I will respond. But yes, so definitely I hope one of these tips, please leave feedback if you already have other plans or if something I mentioned was already on your list. But I am curious, and I just want to make sure everybody is aware that this is a time to set yourself up for success. Don't play with it. Go ahead and have plans, okay? Y'all have a good day.